I believe internships are essential for students because it actually gives you real abilities and real knowledge in a real company.
Boston is one of the best cities in the country for finding internships across disciplines, whether it's medical or data science or finance. There's a lot of opportunities, you just need to look for them.
Do you want to walk down that hallway a little bit or head back to your room?
When I first started out with this internship, it was scary because I've never really been in this position before where I've been the one providing care, but nothing compares to actually working directly with patients hands-on.
I've learned a lot about myself and how to build relationships, how to be in a big corporate environment. This whole experience has just made me a lot more open to what my career could look like.
It's cool when your professor is saying, oh, we're learning about paid social media. And you'll be like, oh, I just did that like yesterday. I'm really learning and experiencing. That's like a dream come true.
VU interns are the best. They are so ambitious. As an alum, it's very gratifying being able to give back to these students and give them a structured opportunity to learn, contribute, and get exposure to the nonprofit industry.
With the support of our alumni community, industry and other partners, and friends around the world, we can generate new collaborations, new programs, and new experiences. You are why we're creating new approaches to learning, so you can step into a career that changes lives, including your own.